Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Bongnetic and I'm Pallavi with you guys. Welcome back to my channel and yeah, after a long time I'm uploading a video because I was on a vacation and I went to Kerala, and if you're not following me on in my Instagram account, then you should follow there because I give my life updates and everything update on Instagram, so do follow me there. And yeah, that like my Durga Puja went really well because I was on a vacation. And let me know in the comment section that how was your Durga Puja, like how did you all spend and everything. Let me know in the comment, and if you want to talk to me, then do DM me on my Instagram. And yeah, so I hope everyone Durga Puja was very good and everyone is doing really well. And today's video is going to be on this makeup look for Diwali. And I tried like one or two new products which I will be reviewing very soon. So yeah, and my vlog videos are going to come from the vlog video I made during my trip. So if you want to see those vlog video as well as my review video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button so you do not miss those video, because many a times you subscribe but you do not hit the bell button and you guys miss my video. So do not forget to hit the bell button so that you do not miss any video. And if you like this video, do give a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, so that even girls in your family can make this makeup tutorial and look beautiful. So yeah, I hope I did not bore you, and let's not waste any more time and let's get started. So guys, as today's makeup is going to be a glam makeup, so first step is moisturizing, toning and primer. You need to follow this 3-step. It's very important for a glam look because you need to prep your skin very nicely. And after the primer, I'm using a concealer. You can use any concealer. I'm just using, it's a peach tone concealer, that's why I'm using it before foundation, just to hide my dark circles, because I got a lot of dark circles, I don't know why. And then I'm going to blend it with a damp beauty blender from Pack Cosmetics. And all the products which I use, everything will be mentioned in the description box, so do not forget to check it. And for my foundation today, I'm going to use my favorite foundation, that is Maybelline Superstay foundation. It's a full coverage foundation, so I love using this for a full glam makeup look. For my concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm in the shade Caramel. It's the perfect shade for me, not a highlighting shade. It just matches my skin tone very nicely, and I love this concealer. And also it is a full coverage concealer. To set my concealer in place, I'm going to use the loose powder from Sugar, and I'm going to take it on the back of my beauty blender and bake my under eyes and press the powder where I've used my concealer, like on my lid, my bridge of my nose, my chin and on my forehead. To set rest of my face, I'm going to use the compact from Sugar, and I'm just going to dab the sugar and press it on my face so that the foundation doesn't budge and set. I've done my eyebrows off camera, and I'm just going to clean out the eyebrow area and just give it a sharper look. So I'm using the concealer and I'm going to blend it with a brush. So now I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Liquid Eyeshadow, and it is in the shade Cherry Soda and Hot Sauce. And I'm going to take the matte shade, that is Hot Sauce, and apply it on full of my lid, and I'm applying it little by little and blending it as soon as, because if it dries down it's impossible to blend if it dries out, so you need to blend it as soon. I got you a little bit closer so that you can get a clearer look how I blended my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use the shimmer side, that is Cherry Soda, and I'm making it a half cut crease look. So I'm going to apply it from the inner corner to my crease line and little half of my lid. You can see like it gives a very specific cut for your crease and it looks really nice. I need to give some time to dry it, or else it will start budging, like it will start moving away. And to blend everything in place, I'm using that light pink shade on the crease and my outer corner to blend everything really. And just to balance out the color, I'm going to use the maroon and pink shade on my waterline, like under my lash line. And for my waterline today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and I'm going to apply a thick line of kajal to give it a nice depth look. And Diwali looks really, like Diwali makeup look really looks good with the For the lashes, always curl your lashes first when you're going for a nice glamorous look. Curl your lashes and then apply the mascara. And for the mascara today, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. Try to use a waterproof mascara during Diwali because you're going to sweat a lot while bursting the firecrackers. You're going to sweat a lot, so I would suggest apply a waterproof mascara and apply a 1 coat or as many coats you want. I'm applying 2 coats or 1 coat because I'm going to apply fake lashes afterwards, so it depends on you how many coats you want to apply and how lengthy you want your mascara to be. Next, for my blush, I'm going to use the same palette, number 01, and apply it on the apple. For the highlighter, I'm going to use the same palette and I'm going to take that highlighter shade. It's a very bomb highlighter And if you want to make it subtle, you can use a little bit and just use it as the way you want. I like a bombing highlighter, so I'm using a lot of highlighter, and I'm making a C kind of look so it looks more natural. And I'm going to apply the highlighter on the bridge of my nose, my eyebrow bone, and also on the inner corner of my eyes. And you need to set your this full glam makeup, so I'm using the Colorbar setting spray and set this amazing makeup on place. As I said, I will be using fake lashes, and the lashes which I'm using here is the PAC Tapered Lash number 58. And I'm using a nude lipstick from Sugar in the shade Nude Mood from the range Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick. Because I used a nude lipstick, you can use any nude lipstick you want. I used a pink tone nude lipstick because the eyes are really glamorous and it's pink, so I used a pink tone nude lipstick. And guys, this is the final look. I just added some junk jewelries like the jhumkas and churis. And I just updoed my hairstyle. I'm not a great hairstylist, so just a normal twist side and leaving some hair in front. That's all I did. I hope you like this look. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this makeup look, and if you want to see more makeup tutorials or anything else, you need to comment down so that I can get to know that what you want to see and I can make videos on those topic. So I hope you like this makeup tutorial. I'm just loving this makeup, and actually I did my hair pretty well today. So you can obviously can do any hairstyle you want. I'm not a pro in hairstyle, so I cannot do a lot of hairstyle. I'm still learning many more hairstyles. So you can do any hairstyle you want, and this look you can take it with your lehenga, your sari, your western outfit, Indian outfit, anything. So I hope you like this video and give a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and till then stay healthy and stay beautiful. Tada!